What attracted you to take this internship?
When I just look up to the company, I saw how the team works on it and which are the things they were trying to improve and which are the things they were trying to build. That got my attention.
What you're working right now?
We are building Olima and Olagraph. People are working on marketing, people are working on report creating and AI full stack. We don't want to work on our laptop where we don't want to deeply go into the codes and all. We are using the VS Code here. It's easy for us to literally wipe code the whole stuff to create the website and all. And it helps the business to grow.
Do you want to share some more insights about Olima and Olagraph?
Yeah, the answer I'm going to say is not about the question at all. The main thing about is a new platform. It works perfectly and we just love it working with it. It will give us the results faster. We don't want to depend on the other outside AIs.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Journey with our AI interns, where we will see what they are exploring new in the world of artificial intelligence. So today we have Shihan with us, who has been interning for past 1 month. Welcome Shihan.
Thank you, Rai.
So can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, I am Shihan and I pursued my degree in Yanapa University in BCA Data Science AI, and at that time I just get to know about this company from my friend. He just suggested that there is a company where providing some internships and all. That's how I just know about this company.
So can you tell us more about what attracted you to take this internship?
Yeah, my friend suggested me the company, right? So when I just look up to the company, I saw about how the team works on it and which are the things they were trying to improve and which are the things they were trying to build. That got my attention.
That's great. That's great. So can you tell us more about what you're working right now in your internship?
Yeah, it's actually an AI full stack development internship where we are building an SEO platform for the company with the request from them. So there is a lot more teams are there, not me. Some people are working on marketing, some people are working on report creating and all. So in our part, we are creating an SEO tool using the AI which has been created by Networkers Homes called Olima and Olagraph. So we are using that and we got the remote server connection. So we don't want to work on our laptop here. So we are actually working on the database. So it is easy for us to work on it.
That's great to hear. So can you tell us more about the products that you're working on?
So actually the SEO audit, it's a tool based on an SEO. So where we can analyze a website. So it will show the SEO scores and it helps the business to grow. That's the main thing. It's a shorter version of it.
Okay. So can you tell us more about the tools that you're using while working on these products?
Actually, we are using the VS Code here. So the VS Code is connected to the remote server. So basically, we are working on the remote server right now. And in there, we have to use the APIs to implement the AIs in it. So with using that AI, we are actually doing the vibe coding here. Because of that, it is easy for us we don't want to deeply go into the codes and all. It's easy for us to literally wipe code the whole stuff to create the website and all with the help of the Olima and Olagraph.
I'm hearing a lot about Olima and Olagraph. Do you want to share some more insights about?
Yeah, basically the Olima and Olagraph is a new platform which has been created by Networkers Homes with Vigasa, and he gave us the access for it. So it works perfectly and we just love it working with it. It will give us the results faster. So we don't want to depend on the other outside AIs like OpenAI, Cloud and all. So basically we have one for us. So it is easy for us to work on it.
Okay. We are really excited to try ourselves as well so that we can see what the magic is about.
Sure.
Is there any particular skill that you have learned while interning here?
Yeah, the main thing about interning here, the answer I'm going to say is not about the question at all. I just love working in this environment and the peoples are great and I just love the seniors and all. It is perfect here. And basically from here, we just learn how to chat with the AI. Basically the people who are chatting with the AI in a base level. After coming here, we just learned how to chat with an AI even more in a pro level, so we can extract the old details and the knowledge from it.
That's great to hear. So, anything that you want to share with our audience who wish to come here to do their internship going ahead?
So, if you are wishing to do an internship in networkers' homes, it is the best option to do it from here only. The main point I have to share about it, the environment, the people, you guys can learn a lot from the seniors, from the SAR. The mentors are great. They were gonna explain the stuff to the people like a kid. So it is easy for you guys to grab the stuff from them. So there is no pressure at all.
Thank you so much, Rehan, for sharing all your insights. I really hope that you have a wonderful journey ahead. And thank you so much for watching this video. We hope to bring you more such exciting news in our next episode. Thank you. Till then, keep watching.